Well, good morning. Today is day 5 of our 5-night cruise aboard the Voyager of the Seas. So today is our last full day on board, and it is a sea day. We plan to have breakfast in the main dining room, and we have a couple of activities scheduled throughout the day from the cruise director staff. So we'll see where the rest of the day takes us.
And here's a line right at 8 a.m. to the main dining room. Line's all the way backed up into the Studio B entrance. But looks like it's moving pretty quick. Not much luck on this cruise.
I mean, I'm still playing on the $50 I put in yesterday, so. I mean, it's about to go away.
That's true. I burned through a lot of cash. But I hit Prime. Have a different result than the last cruise. Gosh, that mini's already at $41. Bonus round.
Yay, re-trigger.
Re-trigger.
I re-triggered it.
Last spin. What are you at? $27.50. That's not bad. Done this one before?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. But that's correct. That's correct. All right, let me see your bishop's hat.
Oh.
That's the middle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. It should be in the okay? So from this, you just hold, and then that. So make sure you follow the line.
And full, okay.
All the way,
Okay.
and join together.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
See, very simple. All right, so that's how you make a heart. Okay, so just hold like, at the back. Have a bird. See? You're gonna wrap it around the neck. Yes, and then, yeah. So both of this, okay, both of this, we're gonna wrap around the neck. So up, around the neck, okay, around the neck, okay, and in the circle, just stick it inside, and then there you go, just wrap it, yes. And you
Headed to next cruise. It's got a free cruise offer, so I try to figure out how to get that figured out. That's it, guys. Easy. Put $200 down, and now we just have to find our cruise within 30 days on that list, huh?
I think we have it picked out. Don't challenge me with a good time.
But luckily, our $200 deposit, if we don't utilize
It's good for a year, so.
yes, so it's not necessarily lost.
But let's use that free casino.
3 hours later.
So a lot of time has passed, but not much has happened since then. But we are now dressed up, ready for, well, maybe ready and not ready for our last dinner. No, not emotionally ready for the last dinner, but we are dressed, and tonight is Italian night, so looking forward to that. I pre-ordered the mushroom risotto as my entree because we had it at, is it Giovanni's or Jamie's on Independence? The Italian specialty dining restaurant on Independence.
I think it was Giovanni's.
And it was delicious. So hoping to be reminded of that experience tonight. After dinner, we plan to hit the classic rock trivia. But other than that, just saying goodbye to some of our crew members that we have made connections with, and unfortunately saying goodbye to an awesome trip.
Yeah, we also started packing, unfortunately. So need to get that ready. And that way we're not scrambling late at night or early in the morning. But
the time has come.
Yep. But we're already starting to look at another cruise since we have to book one in 30 days.
Yeah.
So we already put a deposit down for a future cruise. So luckily, it'll be free.
Yeah, so Michael and my birthdays are about 6 months apart on the calendar. So it kind of works out to have birthday trips. So we're kind of looking to see what we can do for him.
Yep. It might be something we've done previously, but
We know what we like.
stay tuned. First, we need to swing by the casino to get some change. So we're gonna leave some extra gratuity for some of the crew that we like. We got change, check the points, but I got a little bit of work to do still for a different offer.
2 hours later.
Just went shopping.
Michael
Had to-
got me something.
Had to spend some onboard credit, so yeah. But I don't know. Wait, you got a sweatshirt? I got a hat and a magnet.
And now you have a positive onward balance.
Yeah. Now I owe money. Oh well. But we've been going back and forth in there, deciding if we're gonna get it or not, and here we are. We did. Now we're in the schooner bar, waiting for what are we
Classic
doing?
rock trivia.
Schooner bar's crowded. What time does this thing start?
7:30.
7:30. It's like 7:20, and it's crowded. We're sitting in the back corner here because there's a lot of seats. And we got this little bench here, and then 2 chairs, so we have plenty of room for our 6-person group. Ship is actually moving a little bit. It's fun.
It's handling the choppy ocean very well, though.
Yeah, it's stabilized fairly well, which is nice. But yeah, today's our last day. Comment down below on what you guys like to do on the last sea day or last day before the cruise. So interested to see what you guys do. We didn't do much.
No, because
Trivia.
that's what we like to do on the last day.
Casino, ate a lot, of course. Yeah.
Enjoyed it.
Yep, it was good. Tomorrow's gonna suck. Always does. There's the moon, guys. It's really big. Looks pretty cool. So it's supposed to be a blue moon, but it's not blue.
Well, I guess it's because it's 2 supermoons in one, or 2 full moons in 1 month.
Really?
But
I don't know.
As Ashley said, the wind is winding.
Comment down below, guys. Why is it not blue? It's supposed to be blue. But
Look
it's
at the picture.
very big. Well, this is sad. Taking magnets off the door.
These magnets were so much fun.
We can reuse a lot of them, though.
It's not my birthday cruise anymore.
You can't reuse that one.
My cruise. We'll say birthday for February.
Oh, yeah, for mine.
Yeah.
Oh, those are individual letters? I didn't even realize that.
Oh, this is so sad.
No wonder Ashley said it's so cool.
Okay. That's it, folks.
That's it.
I'm so sad. It's been such a good cruise. We had such a good cruise in July on this ship, and this cruise has been so much fun. It's a good ship.
Yeah, it's a really good ship.
Last time.
Always good people, too. Good service.
Yes, absolutely. And the room's empty. There's no towel animal. We hardly ever plan trips in advance. It is maybe 4 to 6 months in advance, and then you're like automatically looking forward to it. This trip we planned, or I should say, Michael started planning July of 2022. I had no idea what was going on until about a month later. And we booked it at next cruise maybe about a month after that. And so we've been looking forward to this trip for a year. And it's over. It's so sad.
But we have a couple coming that we know of.
Yes, but it was so much fun to be with my family. It was such a good trip. I think everybody really enjoyed it. Highly recommend taking this cruise on this ship. The ship is amazing.
Cruise amazing.
And a month ago, we were like, oh, we'll be back in 6 weeks. It's not that sad. We'll be back in 6 weeks. Well, we won't be back in 6 weeks from now. So.
Again, we'll be on the Harmony soon.
I know, but it's not the Voyager.
Yeah. Voyager's a nice ship.
Awesome memories have been made. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back on a Royal Caribbean cruise in 3-4 months. So until then,
It's less than that.
3 months.
Soon.
But until then, we'll see you guys in the next one.
See ya.